If you are seeing this kind of error in your YouTube app, there was a problem with the server and 400 in the bracket. So how to fix this? There is option to retry, but every time you retry the same error come up. So how to fix this? It's really easy. You have to go to the settings and you have to go to the app settings, all application, all app management, and in this section you have to go to the app settings and search YouTube. Now go to the storage and cache. Now from here on you have to select this clear storage option. Now you will be log out or sign out of your YouTube account, so you have to sign in again. But still, if your problem is not solved, go to the Play Store and update your app. If the first solution not work, try this method, update your app, and now try to open YouTube again. So you can see this is working and the problem is solved. If your problem is still there, it can be you have to say error with YouTube, so it will take some time.